How to improve your mental health? Most people struggle with their mental health at some point in their life. Some more than others, but there are little things you do in your daily life is that may not be helping. Your mental state is shaped by a wide range of factors, from your brain chemistry, genetics, and family history to your lifestyle and life experiences. Your physical health and mental health impact each other, beating on your ability to sustain relationships and behavior that bring all about peace of your mind. There are many ways to improve your mental health. Number 1. Increase physical activity. Exercise for mental health can be a game changer when it comes to your recovery. Being active is a proven natural mood elevator that you have positive ripple effect in many aspects of your life. Weight loss, muscle strengthening, and increased energy can all result from regular exercise. Just be sure to choose an activity that you enjoy doing, so you are more motivated to stick with it. Number 2. Practice gratitude. There are countless ways to practice gratitude each day. One simple and effective way is by journaling each morning or evening. Spend 10 or 15 minutes journaling about the things you are thankful for, both small or large. Strive to list anywhere from 3 to 10 things. Explore the big picture things you are grateful for, such as your health or family, as well as small daily things you are thankful for, like the nice weather or a compliment your coworker gave you about your outfit. Number 3. Embrace your holistic health, where your thoughts, feelings, and physical body work together to shape your overall experience of life. To really get a handle on how to improve mental health, embrace the fact that your state is within your control. One step at a time, you can steer your outlook, emotions, physiology toward greater resilience. With this perspective in mind, you can be proactive in building a vibrant, fulfilling life. Number 4. Worry but don't vent. Everyone's had the experience of worrying about something they can't change. If constant worrying becomes a pervasive problem, those signs suggest you should just put it on the calendar. Scheduling your worry time to a single 30 minutes block each day can reduce worries over time. Patients in the study were taught to catch themselves worrying throughout the day and then postpone the worries to a prearranged block of time. Number 5. Eat healthy food. Your brain is always working even while you are asleep. Like a professional athlete, your brain requires high quality nourishment to function optimally and rid itself of oxidative stress. Foods that improve mental health and overall well-being include vegetables, fruits, unprocessed grains, and seafood, with modest amount of dairy and healthy fats. When you are working on ways to improve mental health, avoid processed foods, high sugar food, and toxins like too much alcohol and caffeine. Number 6. Talk to somebody. Talking to somebody can really help you to not only vent, but perhaps to also realize that you are not alone in this. Most universities offer free counseling and support, though it doesn't have to be a professional and can simply be a close family member, partner, friend, or trusted colleague at work. Whatever you are going through, whether it be triggered by unfortunate life events or clinical mental health issues that you have struggled with for a long time, talking about it with others can really help to lift a few of those heavy burdens off your shoulders. Number 7. Incorporate self-care into your life. Self-care is different for each and every person, but it's a simple concept. It is important to take time to care for your physical, emotional, and mental health in order to live a fulfilling life. Self-care can include things on the list as well as other things that make you feel good about yourself. Examples of self-care include eating healthy, traveling somewhere new, and trying new things, relaxing at the beach, and spending time with a friend. Number 8. Do something fun. At first glance, you might think this is rather trite suggestion, but the truth is that setting yourself an exciting yet challenging task is an uplifting and engaging activity. Learning something new is a positive stimulant that will help improve your mental health. Make sure it is something you want to do but never have tried before. You could bake something you never baked before, write a new type of story, learn a new skill like woodwork, try a new form of art, or go for a hike on a new trail. Remember that this is just for you. Number 9. Take a break. Between attending classes, studying for exam, participating in extracurricular activities, and maintaining a social life, relaxation is usually at the bottom of college students' to-do list. But taking time for yourself is vital for maintaining positive mental health and avoid feeling burnt out. Set aside 30 minutes each day to unwind weather. That means listening to your favorite music, taking a well-dressed nap, and going on a walk to clear your mind. That's all. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button so you can get the notification of new fascinating video. Thank you.